Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix upload failed on Deepseek. So let's get started. If you're getting the upload failed error on Deepseek, don't worry, it usually happens because of temporary app glitches, outdated versions, or corrupted cache files. There are a few quick fixes you can try. First, open your phone settings and go to Apps or Manage Apps. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Deepseek. Once you open it, tap on Storage, then select Clear Cache. If that doesn't help, you can also clear all data, but keep in mind that it will log you out of your account. Next, make sure your app is up to date. Open the Play Store or App Store, search for Deepseek, and update it if a new version is available. After updating, open the app again, tap Login with Google, and try uploading your file once more. If the issue still persists, the final step is to uninstall Deepseek completely from your home screen, then reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store. Once reinstalled, log in again and try uploading. This usually fixes the problem for good. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.